The 2016 Jeep Patriot. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. All of the premium features expected of a Jeep are offered, including delay-off headlights, a tachometer, a roof rack, and one-touch window functionality. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and ABS brakes. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Stop in and take a test drive.